Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Gamma up in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft installation folder. This is usually in your App Data roaming folder for Java Edition. Once you've found it, look for the Options TXT file. It's crucial that your Minecraft game is completely shut down before you open, and edit this file to prevent any issues or data corruption. Now, open the Options TXT file using a simple text editor, such as Notepad on Windows. Scroll through the file until you locate the line that starts with Gamma. The default value is typically 1.0. To increase your Gamma, change this number to a higher value, like 10.0 for a significant boost, or even 1000.0 for maximum brightness. Increasing your Gamma value dramatically brightens the darker areas of your game world. This means caves, deep shadows, and nighttime environments will become much more visible, almost as if it were daytime. While you can set the value very high, a setting of 1000.0 is generally considered the maximum effective brightness, making everything clearly visible without being overly distorted. After you've adjusted the Gamma value, remember to save the Options TXT file before closing it. Then, simply launch your Minecraft game. You should immediately notice the increased brightness in dark areas. If the brightness isn't quite right, you can always close the game, re-edit the file, and fine-tune the Gamma value until it perfectly suits your preference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.